In this video, we're going to try to find the following sum, which is the cosine squared of pi over 8 plus cosine squared of 3 pi over 8 plus the cosine squared of 5 pi over 8 plus the cosine squared of 7 pi over 8. This sum exists and it's finite. So how can we compute this sum? The idea here is that we have to get rid of the squares. We can use the squares. We have a formula for that. But there are a simpler formula for computing this result. In fact, we know that given cosine 2x is equal to 2 cosine squared of x minus 1. So if we add 1 to both sides and divide by 2, we get cosine 2x plus 1 over 2 is just cosine squared of x. Okay? This formula is going to help us a lot. Okay? If you want to solve this one, you can start from here and try to finish this problem by yourself. Okay, let's solve it. So using this formula, we have the cosine of pi over 8 is equal to 1 plus cosine of pi over 4. And the cosine of 3 pi over 8 is equal to 1 plus cosine 3 pi over 4. The cosine squared of 5 pi over 8 is equal to 1 plus cosine 5 pi over 4 over 2. And the cosine squared of 7 pi over 8 is equal to 1 plus cosine 7 pi over 4 over 2. We can simplify this one more. So we can write the 1/2 and the cosines separately. So we have the cosine pi over 4 over 2. We have 1/2 plus cosine 3 pi over 4 over 2. And we have 1/2 plus cosine 5 pi over 4. And also we have 1/2 plus cosine 7 pi over 4. I missed 1/2 here. Okay? So now I can see some relationship. Okay? So here, so what's the relationship between this and this? Notice the angle. So this is pi over 4 plus pi. Okay? So what's the relationship between pi over 4 and pi? Okay, let's do it here. So this is the unit circle, pi over 4, cosine is here. When I add pi, I get something negative. So this is pi over 4, and this is pi. That means 5 pi over 4. This one is this angle here. This cosine is minus cosine pi over 4. Therefore, these two cancel. This one here, 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. Okay? So if we can write this one here in the following manner. So the cosine of 7 pi over 4, we can write it as cosine pi plus 3 pi over 4. Okay? So when we take the angle, it's going to be negative. Therefore, these one are the opposite of each other. Okay? Therefore, all we are left only with 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 4 times. That means our value is just 4 times 1/2, which is 2. This shows that this sum, okay, this sum here is just 2. This s is equal to 2. Okay, I have a question. What if we keep adding? Why did we stop only at 7 pi over 8? Can we do 9 pi over 8? 11 pi over 8? Why do we stop here? Notice this relationship between 7 and 8. Okay? Notice this one here. So this is a question for you if you want to get the general formula for this one. Okay? The cosine squared k pi over n with k going from 0 to n. Okay? What does it say? What's its sum? Okay? In our case, we had k going from 0 to 7. And our n was 8. Okay? But we missed some elements here. So we missed 2 pi over 4. We also missed 6 pi over 4. So there is a missing here. 2 pi over 4, 2 pi over 8. Sorry, 2 pi over 8. 4 pi over 8. So I missed 3. 2 pi over 8. Okay? 4 pi over 8. And 6 pi over 8. Okay? So what happens if we add this one to this sum? What would be the sum of s? Okay? It's a good question to work. Thank you.